This is Mercedes W447, Mercedes Vito. So to change the injector, I have to clean. First of all, I need to take the clean cloth, and I take the screwdriver. I need to put it around like that and clean it. I've already done it because, as you can see, I have cleaned it. After cleaning, I have this little hoover attachment, so that's very narrow, so you can buy on eBay, you can buy on Amazon. This kit is can attach to any hoover. So you need to clean first. I have cleaned already. I have put the new copper washer, as you can see. Now I'm gonna install it. So I've cleaned everything, as you can see. Head is almost cleaned. It was leaking seal, so I'm just placing